Hi, I'm Shyamala Gauri, Assistant Professor, CSE in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Subject code CS3491. Subject name Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Unit 2 Probabilistic Reasoning. In this presentation, I'm going to explain acting under uncertainty topic in AI. First, we must know about what is uncertainty. It is a situation which involves imperfect or unknown information. However, uncertainty is an unintelligible expression without a straightforward description. Uncertainty can also arise because of incompleteness, incorrectness in agents, understanding the properties of environment. So, to represent uncertain knowledge where we are not sure about the predicates, we need uncertain reasoning or probabilistic reasoning. What are the causes of uncertainty? Here are some causes listed out. 1. Information occurred from unreliable sources. 2. Experimental errors. 3. Equipment fault. 4. Temperature variation. 5. Climate change. Next topic is probabilistic reasoning. It is a way of knowledge representation where we apply the concept of probability to indicate the uncertainty in knowledge. In probabilistic reasoning, we combine probability theory with logic to handle the uncertainty. We use probability in probabilistic reasoning because it provides a way to handle the uncertainty that is a result of someone's laziness and ignorance. In the real world, there are lots of scenarios where the certainty of something is not confirmed, such as it will rain today, behavior of someone for some situations, a match between two teams or two players. These are probable sentences for which we can assume that it will happen but not sure about it. So here we use probabilistic reasoning. Certainty factor. A certainty factor CF is a numerical value that expresses a degree of subjective belief that a particular item is true. The item may be a fact or rule. Suppose that a certainty is defined to be a real number between minus 1.0 and plus 1.0, where 1.0 represents complete certainty that an item is true and minus 1.0 represents complete certainty that an item is false. Here, a CF of zero point zero indicates that no information is available about either the truth or the falsity of an item. Hence, positive values indicate a degree of belief or evidence that an item is true, and negative values indicate the opposite belief. Ad hoc methods of dealing with uncertainty are methods which have no formal theoretical basis. Ad hoc procedures are implemented in the MYCIN system. It is the expert systems developed to diagnose meningitis and infectious blood disease. MYCIN. It is its knowledge base is composed of if-then rules, which are used to assess various forms of patient evidence with the ultimate goal of being the formulation of a correct diagnosis and recommendation for a suitable therapy. A typical rule has the form: if the stain of the organism is gram positive and the morphology of the organism is coccus and the growth conformation of the organism is chains, then there is a suggestive evidence point 7 that the identity of the organism is streptococcus. MYCIN rule implication. The rule is used by the inference mechanism to help identify the offending organism. The three conditions given in the if part of the rule refer to attributes that help to characterize and identify organisms. When identification is certain, an appropriate therapy is recommended. The numeric value zero point 0.7 given in then part of the above rule corresponds to an expert's estimate of degree of belief one can place in the rule conclusion when the three conditions if path have been satisfied. The belief associated with the rule may be thought of as a conditional probability, that is P of h by E1, E2, E3 is equal to zero point 0.7, where h is the hypothesis that the organism is Streptococcus and E1, E2, E3 correspond to the three pieces of joint evidence given in the if part respectively. Thank you.